All right, what's up everybody? So I wanted to show you kind of what my normal food prep looks like. So there's a lot going on here. First off, if you think food prep is hard, it's not. If you cook your meals every single night, you know that's a crap ton of work and so time consuming. Think about cooking one meal each night of the week usually takes you what, like 30, 45 minutes? This whole process takes me less than 3 hours, usually about 2.5, to prep lunches and dinners for the entire week for our family of 4. So it's super simple. So I want to show you kind of what I've got cooking here. So in the oven, I know you can't really see it, I've got about 12 to 13 pounds of chicken. Yeah, I know that sounds like a lot of chicken. It's basically 3 large packages of boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I'm cooking. So that's cooking in the oven. On the stovetop, I've got ground turkey, I've got sweet potatoes, broccoli, quinoa, and it's not cooking yet, but I've also got basmati rice. So all that is kind of the basis for the meals. Chicken is my protein, sweet potatoes or quinoa or the basmati rice is the carb, and then broccoli is the veggie of choice. You can probably also see all this salad stuff back here. So I'm gonna be pre-cutting up salads for the whole week for both me and my wife. That's also our vegetable. So as you can see, like everything's cooking at the same time. I'm going to put everything in prep containers. If you go on Amazon, you can get a crap ton of these for super cheap. And I'm gonna do another video later this week kind of showing the finished product of what everything looks like, how much typically eat at meals so that we can see that firsthand. But I just kind of wanted to give you an inside look to meal prepping. The reason I highly suggest meal prepping is for 2 reasons. 1, it saves a ton of time. It does. And 2, how many times do you have to work late or something's going on with the kids or there's an event and you don't have time to cook when you come home? So what do you normally do when you don't have time to cook? You end up making poor decisions. You go through a drive-thru, you order pizza, takeout, whatever that may be. This way, I know that whatever is going on during the week, it doesn't matter because all that has to be done for dinner is it's stuck in the oven or the microwave and warmed up and we are good to go. Don't have to think about it, don't have to worry about it, don't have to have that question, what are we gonna have for dinner tonight? We know there's a good option, it's healthy, and it's ready to go. So meal prep, in my opinion, it sets you up for success. Like without meal prep, it's really hard over the long term to stick to your nutrition plan because of what I said. Life happens, like crap happens day in and day out. Things that are not expected. You have to stay late at the office. Anything can happen. And so it's really important to be prepared for those occasions. And the best way for that is to make sure that all your meals are prepped for the week. Now, in addition to this, snacks are prepped out as well. You can just measure out your snacks in either small containers or Ziploc bags, and it's really simple to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have not already, head on over to bones2bulk.com. Super simple. I'll post the link below. And sign up for our free mini course. All you have to do is put in your email address. It's that easy. And I promise you, you're gonna get 5 days worth of packed content. I've put a lot of time into it of so much of your basic building blocks to get buff, from nutrition to workouts. I cover it all in this mini course. So I highly suggest, again, head on over to bones2bulk.com, put in your email, and you will get this free mini course delivered to your email. How easy is that? It doesn't get any easier. All right, I hope you found this helpful. And again, I'm gonna do another video later this week showing the finished product of this. So stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe button below. That way you don't miss that video. Take care.